Welcome to Monday. It's July 11th, 2022, your day with a podcast brought to you by Cowboy State Daily. Cowboy State Daily has more original Wyoming news content than any other news organization in the state. Cowboy State Daily. Sign up for their daily newsletter and check them out on their Facebook page. It's going to be cool, especially east of the Continental Divide today. Temperature readings down considerably after a real scorcher for the weekend, but this cool front, well, it's transitory. It's going to be in and out fairly quickly, and the coolness you'll feel today will go away very quickly as the heat is on again. Heat and high pressure will build midweek through the weekend. It's just summer. It's just a typical July pattern where high pressure really is the dominant force for many weeks now, and the only thing that interrupts it is these surges of monsoonal moisture that come and go. And we do see that monsoonal moisture sneaking back in mid to late week and over the weekend, especially parts of Colorado and the Four Corners region look the most wet, with thunderstorms scattered about elsewhere. Great shot, thanks to Patrice Sutter in Colorado Springs for a beautiful shot of mammatus clouds with a rainbow. Lots of big thunderheads over some areas of the region yesterday across the Intermountain West and the Western High Plains. But we're not going to see much in the way of thunderstorm activity today because this cool front, which is right here, dragging in not only cool air behind it, but the air, the humidity behind this front is significantly lower. Now, there will be some showers and thunderstorms along the front range of Colorado, the mountains of Colorado, maybe getting up in the southern areas of Wyoming. But out on the plains, this front is essentially like a broom. It's bringing cool, dry air into the region as it sweeps on by. And here are the temperature anomalies today. As we get on through the next couple of days, you can see cooler than normal temperatures today in the blue, and you can see the sharp line of where the cold front will be this afternoon and evening. So definitely cooling off a bit. However, the heat will be repressed only temporarily. But subtropical moisture, this is the monsoon moisture we're talking about. This is by Saturday afternoon. It starts to really come back by later this week and this weekend. We'll probably see some thunderstorms increase a bit tomorrow, kind of take a break Wednesday, then increase again for Thursday, Friday, and the weekend and early next week. The green and the blue areas will be the preferred locations for thunderstorm development later this week and over the weekend. As you get into the Midwest and Corn Belt, you can see the white and the brown here where the air is drier. It doesn't mean there won't be thunderstorms, but those blue and green areas is where the highest humidity will be. High pressure sits right on the Four Corners region by Thursday. The clockwise flow comes in like this around the high, and this keeps the heat right along the spine of the Intermountain West and Continental Divide. So the only thing that could really cool us off is going to be these afternoon clouds and afternoon scattered showers and thunderstorms. So this is Thursday, this is Saturday. Notice there's very little difference going on. Notice this though, right here, there's a little bit of a tropical wave that's going to head into the Gulf this weekend. You can see it right here. This will likely be maybe a tropical storm, maybe, we'll see. If not, just a lot of heavy rain along the Gulf Coast, while the heat is back here in the desert Southwest and the Intermountain West. But that monsoonal moisture flow is going to come in kind of acting like a mini air conditioner. And you can see by Saturday afternoon, it's well entrenched across the region. Now, going out further, this is jumping out several days. This is all the way to Saturday and Sunday and into Monday, the 24th, 25th of July. And you can see this is where the ring of fire, so to speak, is likely going to be placed as the high migrates into the central areas of the United States. This will keep the heat in place, but thunderstorms are also going to be a regular feature of the forecast. And you can see here by that weekend of the 23rd, 24th of July, the high is more into the central plains states, opens that door to the deeper monsoonal moisture. This is a very warm forecast for the nation, most of the nation, with this big area of high pressure moving in. So you're going to hear a lot on the news about some very hot temperatures, especially in the central and southern plains with this pattern. But as we get deeper to the end of July, you can see that monsoonal moisture fetch is still there. This is the precipitation forecast through Sunday afternoon. Now, this is a model. It doesn't exactly get all the thunderstorms correct, but you can certainly see here central and southwest Colorado, the Four Corners area, is going to be the most preferred for the heavier rain from the showers and thunderstorms, but there'll be scattered showers and thunderstorms elsewhere. And that's the warmth I'm talking about. This is the 7-day temperature anomaly. So for the next week, Canada and most of the western United States will be warmer than normal, with the center of the heat, the hottest temperatures relative average right there. Have yourself a great Monday. We'll talk to you on Tuesday.